So this is basically my whole Padlet with all of the activities that we did for the class. And I'm going to start with this one, which is my title slide. And this is just a picture of me from around Christmas time. And then the second one is my biography. And here it is. And we basically just did that so we get a better understanding of each other and let Miss Debbie know like what we were looking for in the class and what we were looking forward to. And then the third one is the name tent, and we use a name tent for roll, and so we could get to know each other, and if we needed to ask someone a question, we could just look at their names. And then the fourth one is our inspiration map, which we use Bloom's taxonomy for. And here's the inspiration map, and we basically just wrote down our goals and different vocabulary for each section, and we wrote down what we wanted to do with our life or a topic. And then 5 is Symbaloo and Digo, and here's the links for Symbaloo and Digo, and we basically just use those to bookmark websites so that we can access them easier if we go on them a lot, or if we need to like keep them and go to them again. And then the 6th one is our publisher travel brochure. So we made a brochure to somewhere that we wanted to travel, and this is what it looks like. This is the front page, and it kind of just has some information about where we want to go, traveling there, places to eat, places to stay, things to do, stuff like that. And then 7 is Canva, and this is my Canva about Bali where I wrote my brochure to, and it's basically just some more information. And then 8 is our mobile app, Google Slideshow, and we got assigned an app, and mine was QR stuff, and we basically just like wrote about the app and gave some information about it. And then number 9 is all about us keynote presentation, and this we got paired with a partner for, and we kind of just wrote about ourselves. And then number 10 is our blog, and we all had to make a blog. This is my blog, and my blog was supposed to be about DIY. So this is some DIY links, Wikipedia, other stuff like that. And then after that, we have our movie, which we created a COVID-19 movie, basically just updating everyone on what we're doing. It's on YouTube. And yeah, iMovie is really good to use. It's effective. And then number 12 is our Google Sites, and this is basically just a personalized website. So here's my name, and then here's a picture of me and some background information, and this is the website. And then number 13 is Padlet. This is what we're on right now, and I really like Padlet because it's like very organized and it's easy to use, and a lot of people can use it, and it's free for 3. And then 14, we have screencastomatic, which is what I'm using right now to record my Padlet. And I like it a lot because I never knew how to screen record on a computer, because you can do it on your phone, but you can't do it on your computer. So now I know how to do it on the computer. And then lastly, we have about the class, and I'm basically just saying that I really enjoyed the class and I like how it was taught, and updates on what we're going to do after the class ends. I'm going back to New Orleans to see my summer friends who go out of state for college, so I'm really excited to see them. And yeah, this is basically my whole Padlet. We have them numbered from each assignment that we had to do. And yeah.